If you've ever wondered how you can change Telegram's default downloads folder on your Windows computer, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to reroute all your Telegram downloads, whether you want them to land on your desktop for quick access or you'd prefer to store them on a different drive for better organization. Let's dive in together step by step. First, start by opening up the Telegram desktop application. This is key. We're focusing on the Windows version of Telegram, not the mobile app or the web version. So make sure you're on your computer and launch Telegram like you normally would. If you keep it pinned to your taskbar or have a shortcut on your desktop, just double-click to open it up. If you're signed in, you'll land right on your chats. Now look up to the top left corner of your Telegram window and you'll see a small icon with 3 horizontal lines. That's the menu button. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up Telegram's main navigation drawer, which gives you access to all your settings and customization options. Think of it as the control panel for your Telegram experience. Next, from this menu, you'll want to click on Settings. It's usually near the bottom of the list, and this is where you can tweak everything from notifications to privacy. Clicking Settings will take you to another screen with quite a few options. Don't be overwhelmed. We're just focusing on one area for now. Scroll down through the Settings menu until you find Advanced. It might take a moment, especially if you haven't explored Telegram settings before. Take your time. You're looking for something that might be labeled Advanced, usually toward the end of the Settings section. Once you see it, give it a click. This is where Telegram groups together the more technical or power user features. Within the Advanced settings, look for a section called Folders and Cache. Here is where Telegram controls where files are stored and how it manages downloaded content. Under this section, you'll spot an option called Download Path. This is essentially the location on your computer where Telegram currently saves all the files you download. If you're someone who frequently downloads photos, videos, or documents from chats, changing this path can help keep things tidy or make files easier to find later. Click on the current path that's displayed next to Download Path. This will bring up a File Explorer window, maybe familiar if you've ever saved or moved files elsewhere on your computer. Now you'll have the chance to choose a new destination for your Telegram downloads. Before you click anywhere, take a moment to think about where you want your files to go. For example, you might want them on your desktop for instant access, or maybe in a folder you've set up on a separate drive to keep things organized. If you see an option like Custom Folder Cleared Only Manually, go ahead and select this. It ensures that Telegram will only clear files when you decide, which gives you more control. Browse to your chosen location, making sure you select the right folder. When you're ready, click the Select Folder button, or it might say OK or something similar, depending on your version of Windows. This tells Telegram, this is my new spot for downloads. And here's a handy detail, you don't need to click Save anywhere else. Telegram automatically applies your new folder choice, so any future downloads will be routed to the place you just set. Give yourself a moment to try it out. The next time you download a file, check your new folder and you'll see it pop up there. And don't worry, you can always change this location again if your needs change. Thanks so much for following along. If this tutorial helped you get your Telegram downloads in order, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or run into a snag, drop a comment below. I'm happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, helpful tech tutorials just like this. See you next time.